Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. Today is a quick video on how to connect your iPhone to the Nissan 12.3-inch display, whether it's wired or wireless. I'll leave all the timestamps down below if you want to skip forward. And if you enjoy this content, please subscribe and like. Alright, first thing is the preparation. If you're going to use a cable to connect your smartphone, you need a genuine cable like this or very high quality iPhone certified cable. Second is obviously your phone. So in the standard setting, you will need to enable Siri on this particular device, and that means in case you connect your smartphone, it shows on the screen says your Siri is not connected. You want to go to Siri search. Even if you don't do Hey Siri, if you don't do other things, you have to do the second one at least. Press side button or press home button for Siri to connect. That's the major important thing. And after that, we can easily connect the smartphone. First way is the wired connection. We want to start the vehicle and connect the phone to the USB antennas, as you can see. And once it's connected, it will ask you, do you want your connect device on the screen? We want to press yes. You can click, don't ask anymore, but you can disable that whenever you like. It will also ask you, do you want to allow your Apple CarPlay to be connected with this device when the phone is locked? This is totally up to you. You can do it now or allow whenever you like. I'll click allow. That means when my phone is locked, I can still use Apple CarPlay, or I can still connect to Apple CarPlay when I first initially connected, basically. Now let's go to the phone. We have the phone icon and phone display. Everything shows up on the screen. If you want to go back home at any time, just press the home button or go back to the Apple CarPlay screen, connect the Apple CarPlay icon, which lit up on the side. We can also use Nissan button to go back to the home screen, just as always. And once the Apple CarPlay screen is connected, you can do phone calls. You can just simply tap the screen and go through your phone settings and dial a number if you wish. When someone calls in, obviously you can click the home button on the steering to answer the phone call. These are pretty easy. You can use your music, navigation, Google Map, messages. It will read out the message for you, but it's not going to display the message letters for you for safety reasons. You can do all the other settings. You can change the background, color, image, everything like that. Whenever your phone is connected, you can also use Siri command by press and hold this button over here. Or if you enable Hey Siri function, you can just speak out Hey Siri, then it will bring up the function just like this. I've already done that, so you can disable that. Don't worry. And so press home, and you can ask Siri, what's the weather like today?
Expect cloudy skies today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 14 degrees with overnight
and you can press the button to disengage the voice again. So that's how to use Siri. You can use Siri for a lot of things, including dial a number, call someone, or send a message to someone when you are driving. So that's quite handy to use the Siri command. So that's how to do the wired connection. And then second way is to connect your device wirelessly to the Apple CarPlay screen. If you have not connected your device to the screen before, this is how to do it. So first we want to find the connection either under the phone or under the connection. So go to connection. Now we have all the devices over here, either Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth. We want to go to Bluetooth. So add the device. You can see we want to use Bluetooth to connect to my car. So let's unlock the phone, go to the Bluetooth setting over here. And then let's go all the way to the bottom to find my car setting or name. And you can see this letter matches the pin on the side, and click pair on your phone. And the phone will ask, do you want to allow your contacts? We can allow it. That means my phone book, everything will be displayed on the screen when I connect it. Otherwise, you can disallow if you wish to. You can do this. That means, do you want to use Apple CarPlay with this particular device? Obviously, we do wish to use that. We will press yes on the screen, and we have to authorize this on your phone as well. If you do now, that means your phone will only connect to Bluetooth to this screen. But if you use Apple CarPlay, and then your Apple CarPlay will be authorized. It's going to connecting just over here. Wait for a few seconds. There we go, your Apple CarPlay screen came up. So in case at any position you accidentally touch the now for the Apple CarPlay, you can also go to your Bluetooth setting, find the name as My Car, and click the icon over here, enable or disable the CarPlay over there, in case you accidentally touch the other button. Anyway, the Apple CarPlay screen now shows up. If you click the home button, you can go through your home, you can go through navigation, all these things. Whenever you want to go back home, just press the home icon. And then if you want to go back to the Apple CarPlay screen, you have the connection over here, or the Apple CarPlay will light up over here. Or press Nissan to go back to home screen, just like that. After the connection, you can also use your phone to quickly dial a number or call someone in your phone book. You can search everything over here in the display. And you can do music from your Apple Music. You can do maps from your Apple Maps. You can do search icon to search any addresses and devices, everything. When you do the search, you can also do voice guidance or just typing the guidance. You can also access to messages. That means you click out the message, click the name or the number, whoever sends you a message, it will read out the message through the car speakers. It's not going to display, but instead it will read out the message. Then you can choose to use voice guidance to reply or not reply, whichever you like. And yeah, all the other function, Google Map, all the things, just like what you use the vehicle for. It's pretty simple. Whenever you are driving, you can also enable Siri function. Press on home and hold, just like that, your Siri command will come up. You can try, what's the weather like today?
Expect cloudy skies today. Daytime temperatures.
All right, I'll stop that. So just, yeah, that's an example. You can again send a message to someone. You can ask Siri, please call Jerry. It will call Jerry in your phone book, stuff like that. Obviously, do not call me. Anyway, that's how that function works, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. I'll see you next video. Thank you very much.